So since my Feal Suspension S15 has been kind of used more as an experimental vehicle, a practice vehicle, a demo vehicle, then what we're trying is some different headers. I've been bugging the guys at 841 Concept to make the 8-4-to-1 header because it sounds so freaking awesome and it adds a little bit of power as well. So what they came up with is like a front-facing universal header. That's why all these pipes merge in the front. The idea is that this will fit a lot of other V8 LS swapped vehicles. It doesn't have to specifically fit through a steering shaft or have the constraints of going in between the frame rails. It all gets positioned forward, and most of us that build custom drift cars have a lot of space up front, or at least we could make space. We had to modify a few little things because my crash structure impeded on it a little bit, but it's overall coming together great, and I cannot freaking wait to start this thing and hear the way it sounds. We got the header for the most part assembled. So the header's for the most part assembled. Tanner's over here today helping me build out the rest of the exhaust because I've started this thing up with the open header. It sounds cool, but I cannot wait to see and hear what it sounds like with the actual exhaust installed. So today's the day. We're gonna wrap this thing up. We're gonna fire it up, probably take it for a rip on the driveway. Cannot freaking wait. This is pretty exciting. Let's see what this thing sounds like. All right, so we fired this thing up. It sounds absolutely amazing. It's kind of crazy the way it sounds. At idle, it sounds very similar to the way it used to. And then as soon as you bring the RPMs up a little bit, the harmonics completely change. It has no vibration. It's really smooth and it sounds completely different than a V8. Once you get into throttle under load at higher RPMs, it starts to get raspy and kind of sound crazy again. But it's much higher pitch sound than it was with the traditional headers. And the way the 841 Concept guys made this work, the way they created these harmonics is really by taking not only 8 and going to 4 to 1. They were pretty crafty about selecting the cylinders on each bank, not at random, but intentionally, and combining them into one. I'm sure they studied the firing order of the LS motor and making sure that it all merges into the collector at a certain order. It's not random, and that's, I think, what gives it that really smooth harmonics and ultimately a higher pitch sound at higher RPM. So I'm in love with the way this thing sounds. It's really fun to drive. It feels smoother, and eventually we're gonna strap it to the dyno and see if we picked up any power. Right now it's hard to say. Every time we throw a different gear change in it, it drives completely different, and we re-geared it as we were doing this. So we're gonna take this thing to the track, we're gonna run it a little bit more, we're gonna data log the engine, see if we have to adjust the fueling a little bit, and then when we get time, we'll strap it to the dyno and let you guys know how much power we picked up.